This video is going to talk about how to manage and organize the custom fields that you have already created within your account. To organize, hover over the Contacts drop-down and select Visibility from the options. This page shows you all the fields currently showing within the contacts record. The main account holder has primary access into managing this view, but each shared access user can customize it for their own login. Here, you can easily drag and drop the different fields for organization, as well as drag different clusters to organize the overall look of the contact record. Along the right is the Fields Do Not Display box. Here, you can add any user fields to hide from the contact list view. To define new segments, you'll do this by creating a new cluster. Make sure to drag at least one field into the cluster. Then, click to save the changes along the top right of your page. Once the page reloads, your cluster will now become active. You can add additional fields into this cluster and assign it a specific title for organization. Along the top right is where you can save the changes made to the visibility area. You can also save a visibility template. Here, you can either create a new template or replace any of your existing templates in your account. Define the template name and click to save. What this allows you to do is any of your shared access users can quickly load a visibility template for their specific account. Here, they can define the specific template and list of fields to show within their CRM. Once you save the changes, you can see this live within the contacts record. Hover over Contact and select View, then click on the pencil icon next to your contact. The contact info page mimics the visibility area you have set up, which include the clusters, headings, and field assignments. The next step we can do is to set up automation when any of these fields are updated to a specific value. To do this, first make sure that the automation is created within the Automations Workflow Manager. Before we assign the automation, please make sure that you have created the different workflows in which you want to trigger. Then, go into the Contacts dropdown and select User Fields. This page shows a list of all the user fields you have created within your account. Select the specific user field and click to add a trigger action. For example, if the value changes from anything in the account to any of the identified options on the top right of this user field, you can activate a specific workflow to happen. The best user field types to use include a select one or short text. This ensures that a single value will trigger your workflow. Once you've created your triggers, click to save the changes. Then you'll see that there is now a delete option next to any of the triggers. Another trigger type you could do is related to a value. For example, if the value of this field changes from anything less than a certain value to greater than a certain value, you can trigger a workflow to happen accordingly. Below each user field, you'll see the options to save the changes, reset any of the changes, or delete this user field from the account.